Alright, y'all. So, first POV in LA.
You dig?
We're currently heading towards a little bit more southern part of LA, Glendale. It's not too south, but we're just trying to go to the nearest Target right now to get some essentials, things like that. But oh, and I got a mic, y'all. How do I sound with my mic? Does it sound a little bit better, or am I still low? I don't know. But how do y'all get used to these damn mountains out here, bro? That's like the hardest part of LA. I love the mountains and love the view. I'm talking about y'all see a couple videos down the line. Moe VIewz moved to LA. Do not be surprised. Yo, look at this inmate. What you gonna do? Oh, he's smoking. He's smoking that guy. Somebody's more here. He downshifting. Yo, look at this hard M3CS over there, and G-Wagon with some clean wheels. Super fire. Oh, and M8 or M850 just passed us up as we were looking. Y'all, another little POV for y'all real quick, a little quick drop in. Today is the first day, and right now, morning, we stopped and got us some Erewhon drinks. I put a picture right here to show y'all what it looked like. What was mine called? Mine was called the Coconut Paradise? Coconut Cloud. And she got the Haley Bieber special. So, damn, that's a clean ass bike. Right now, just riding right now, man. Hopefully these clips will come out cool. Like I said, this video is a little different. Just doing something different for y'all while I'm in LA. Something to look back on. Damn, look at those mountains, bro. That is so crazy. Clean ass G80 right here. And they have the new Benz, the new GT Coupe. Oh, go ahead, I'm gonna let you. They just flew past 3 fucking Beverly Hills cops. Are they crazy? That hard ass G80.
You dig?
Welcome back to another video. As y'all can tell by the title, we are installing a new grill on the truck today. Finally, this has been long awaited. I've been waiting to install this part for a while. I actually had it for like 2 weeks. Oh my god, I actually had it for like 2. Why does this car keep doing that? I had the grill for like 2 weeks, and I'm finally going to install it. Let me go ahead and get it out the trunk. And as y'all know, the truck is fully blacked out. There's no chrome anywhere but the freaking grill, so I gotta get that changed. There's people up here, they walked up here just to stare at me. And now I'm gonna get this shit open. Hold on, let me take this out right here. I'm gonna pop this side right here out. Pop this side open right here. Shit, it's hard as hell to open. This shit, y'all couldn't see the whole time. It's coming open now. Here I go. Take it out. That car is a lot of shit. The little FRS over there. Oh, this looks so much better. Here is the new grill. Oh my god, it's so clean. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Alright, y'all, so we're just gonna pop the grill open as soon as I find the freaking. Wait, hold on, am I tripping? They don't have that. Wow, that is a lot of fucking pollen. But from all the videos I've seen, all I have to do is pop open these clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Take the grill off and put the new one on. This thing gonna look super sick. Alright, y'all, so I'm popping the clips open now. All you need is a flathead, honestly, and just push the clips forward and it comes right out. So I already got 3 out. Up. Now we got all the clips out, as y'all can see. These are the 6 clips. All you have to do is push them in. Can't see. All you have to do is push them in and pull them out. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna pull it back, and it just comes right out just like that. If y'all see down there, y'all can see the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and detach. I'm gonna detach the camera. If y'all can see it, it's right there, so I can put it on the next grill. Now you just wanna go ahead and unclip the camera from here. Where's my screwdriver? It's a little easier. So these 3 clips here on the camera, 1, 2, and 3, kind of want to work them out and pull this whole piece forward. Kind of hard to do on this camera, so I'll let y'all know when I'm done. And just like that, I'm done. So this grill is completely out. I'm gonna go ahead and sit that right there. Give y'all a side by side of what they look like. See, this one's chrome and this one's black, and as y'all can tell on my truck, all of the accessories on here are black, so I had to go ahead and get this to match. So let's go ahead and put the new grill on. All right, y'all, we got the new grill on there, nice and secure. Let's go ahead and make sure I got keys on me. Let's go ahead and close it up. Oh my God, that looks so much cleaner. What the hell? That looks so much better. Oh my God. Look how clean it looks now, y'all. Now we got the fully blacked out grill. I think I'm gonna replace these badges too. They have these badges that don't have the chrome on it. I'm gonna replace them too. But that looks so much better. Now it matches all of the black accessories everywhere. Yes, black trim, you know, black everything. That's pretty much the freaking goal, y'all. Compared to this grill, which was fully chrome, had a little black in it, but it just was not doing it the way this grill is. Not at all. There we go. Yeah, that looks a lot better for sure. What do y'all think? Comment down below which grill y'all like better. Did y'all like the chrome with the black or the fully blacked out? And it, as well as the little fins, like these fins, they look a little better on this one. I like how it's like double fin versus just like a single one. So much more cleaner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell this grill now. These grills are not cheap. Well, I think I'll sell this OEM grill, call it a day. What do y'all think? I think I have bad news. So I got the grill on, I got everything working. Looks nice, as y'all can see. Looks great, but something's wrong. Where the hell is my front camera? I ordered the wrong grill. This grill does not, this is for the X7 that don't have the option of the front camera. I need a hole right here so my camera can see. What the fuck? Now I have to order another grill and make a whole nother video for y'all. So there's that. So if y'all did make it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this video was very different in the beginning. I just came back from LA, as y'all can see. I just came back from LA 2 days ago. Put this grill on, and I'm uploading this video tonight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's more videos to come, videos every week. Y'all already know that. Appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And yeah, man, now I gotta put this fucking grill back on. I take this one back because I paid good money for it, and I gotta get probably a more expensive one since I have the camera, which it should be less expensive if it's less parts. I just need that hole cut out. Who knows? It's BMW. But appreciate y'all for liking, comment, subscribing. See y'all in the next video.